Once again with another unique item from Sigona's, finger limes. You might be wondering what a finger lime is. It's like lime caviar, and I'm going to cut one in a little bit to show you what it's all about. Hi, I'm Robbie Sigona, produce buyer for Sigona's Farmers Market, and I'm here in our Redwood City store today with finger limes. These originated in Australia, are now coming from Cambria, California, which is down by Santa Barbara, from Step Ladder Ranch. We got these in direct from them. They're a really cool, neat item. I do want to show you what it looks like inside. I'm going to cut one and show you so you can understand what I'm talking about. I cut this in half right here, and they have these little beads in there. That's why they get the name lime caviar, and you just simply squeeze. So I cut it in half, I'm gonna squeeze this out, and look at all that. You get a ton of little beads in there, hence the name lime caviar. You would use these in any application that you would use limes. Wonderful on seafood. You could float them in drinks. Chefs even use them on different desserts and all that. They have a great tartness about them. They pop in your mouth like those little Pop Rocks do, but they're citrusy and limey. They're just a wonderful new item. So it's super unique and really fun to play with. So why don't you come on into Sigona's today and try the finger lime.